Hello viewers! This Christmas, SyncPen has gifted Vishal Peripherals 3 incredible gifts which are state-of-the-art innovation. And right now, I have one of them with me. Here, let me unbox it first. SyncPen 3. The SyncPen 3 is a revolutionary smart notebook set designed to bridge the gap between traditional writing and digital note-taking. This innovative device allows users to write on paper while simultaneously transferring their handwritten notes and sketches into editable digital files in real time. Here are the key features of this gadget: advanced handwriting recognition, audio recording, smart search, offline storage. Let's get into the details. The SyncPen 3 features an ergonomic design with a comfortable grip and smooth ink flow. It is compatible with both iOS and Android devices through the new Yes app. The stylus is chargeable and the system works by using a combination of advanced optical sensors inside the pen and special dot pattern paper, often referred to as encoded technology. The SyncPen 3 stylus provides a remarkably smooth and responsive writing experience with virtually no latency. Coming to the product specifications, it's got a battery capability of up to 10 hours of continuous use. It can store over 1000 pages of notes, only 1.5 hours of charging time, and it can support various formats like PDF, text, JPG, Word, and more. Creating the notes is as easy as keeping books. The pen is activated once you open the cap, like this, and goes offline when the cap is shut. So now, look at these modes of writing with pencil, pen, and many more. Check this out. And you can even choose the color you want to write in. This gadget converts handwriting into editable digital text, supporting numerous languages including mathematical elements and shapes. To highlight, to add photos and edit them. The pen can store notes offline when not connected to a device and automatically syncs the content to the app once the connection is re-established, so you never lose your work. That way, the stylus can sync up to 20 pages in the offline mode. The smart pen itself does not contain a microphone. Instead, the audio is recorded via the microphone of the connected device using the dedicated new Yes Note app. You can replay the entire writing process and the associated voice recording to restore the full context of the creative or thinking process. Amazing, isn't it? And on top of that, check out these page looks too. Share your notes. You got various sharing options here. The SyncPen 3 offers numerous benefits including reduced screen time, increased productivity, improved organization, enhanced creativity. Overall, the SyncPen 3 is an excellent tool for anyone looking to digitize their handwritten notes efficiently. With its advanced features, user-friendly design, and compatibility with multiple devices, SyncPen 3, a smart notebook.